People aren't that complicated. We want to wake up with a smile. We want every day to feel like an opportunity, to be surrounded by innovation and vitality and beauty, and others that share our vision. Most of all, we want to feel like we're doing what we're meant to be doing, that we are unmistakably excited to be alive. People live here like no place else. In Colorado, people live deliberately. Visitors come from all over the earth to discover our destinations and discover something about themselves. People come to start businesses, to learn, to work and play. They come to unearth secrets and share stories. In Colorado, you can live the life you want without compromising personally or professionally. Our state is a breathtaking backdrop where economic opportunities meet a pioneering spirit, where everyone is proud to call this place home. Colorado is where you'll find the most creative, healthiest, and happiest people in the country. Why? It's our nature. Our mountains, rivers, and plains, but also our vibrant optimism and creativity. The rising peak, drawn from our beloved license plates, symbolizes our bigger-than-life beauty and our upward momentum as a people and a place. Whether you're here for a few days or for a lifetime, this state will capture your heart. So together, let's share with the world everything we love about Colorado.